Okay, number 8. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 18? Sentence 18 says, after such a wild ride, my attention returned to the delicious smells in the air. After such a wild ride, my attention returned to the delicious smells in the air. Okay, F says change smell to smells. Okay, change smell to smells, and this is actually the should say smells to smells. So it should say smells to smells. That's a typo. Because in the sentence it's already smells with a S. Okay, this would be smell-as. Smell-as. This isn't right. Okay, G says change delicious to delicious. If you were to look this up in the dictionary, okay, or look it up on Google, it would tell you that this is the correct spelling. This is incorrect. So I would make this change. And guys, I'm not going back and plugging them in because we were running out of time on this video. So I'm going to just mark that out. This one is spelled correctly. H says delete the comma after ride. Here's the word ride. After such a wild ride, comma, my attention returned to the delicious smells in the air. We do need that comma because after is a comma causer, and we'll talk more about that later. But if you were to look this up in the dictionary and know that this one is spelled correctly, then you would know that this one can't be it because this is our answer choice. Okay, but we will talk about this rule after being a comma causer. If you have the word after at the beginning of a sentence, there has to be a comma along the way in the sentence. Okay. 9 says what change, if any, should be made in sentence 22. Okay, sentence 22 says, for the 5th year in a row, I have a great time at the fair. For the 5th year in a row, I have a great time at the fair. Okay, my mind already tried to fix this. This is where the mistake is. Okay, A says change have to had. Change have to had. Okay, so here's the word have. Let's change it to had and read it and see if it makes sense. For the 5th year in a row, I had a great time at the fair. This is where my mind tried to fix it, right? This is the correct change to make. We wouldn't say, I have, okay, this is present tense, this is past tense. We want it to be past tense. B says change for to for. Change for to for. This is the number word for. Okay, for the 5th. For the 5th. Does that make sense? And the number word for the 5th doesn't make sense. Okay, so C says change the period to a question mark. Does it have a question starter? Is for a question starter? No. So would I change it to a question? Are we asking something? No. Wouldn't want a question mark there. Oop, that was already correct. And we know that we need to change have to had, so D can't be it. A. Okay, last one, number 10. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 24? Sentence 24 says, I can't wait to experience the State Fair again next year. I can't wait to experience the State Fair again next year. Okay, F says change can't to canned. Can't to canned. I canned wait. Does that make sense at all? Nope. It was already correct. G says change weight to weight. Okay, we've been talking about this in science. This is like your weight, how much you weigh. This one is weight, like I have to wait a few minutes. I can't wait to experience. We wouldn't say weight like somebody, how much somebody weighs. And then H says change fair to fair. Okay. It's in the title already correct, and all the way through the passage, okay? This is the correct way to spell fair. This is not. J says change two to two, okay? This two means too many or also. This two is directional. I can't wait to experience. I can't wait also experience. That doesn't make sense. This is the correct two to use. This is not. J is my answer choice. All right, guys, I know that that was really quick. Hopefully you went through yours with me and decided which answer choices you chose, and I think everybody did pretty good on this. We're going to continue to do these throughout the school year, so you'll get really, really good at them, and you'll get really, really good at going through just like this on your own compositions and fixing the mistakes that you've made in your own compositions. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you later.